Now which kind of children be this year? They will have it cause attack you if you go qua.
Attention!
Hey!
Easy.
Enemies on advance. Take cover.
Mazi.
What kind of prank is this now? Eh?
No prank why they play. Go bring out those children. Go bring out those oracle where you born. Those waste of 9 months.
Why are you still bearing this your weapon of mass destruction around the village?
Why? Before I come. These children pour me peace for face.
What kind of propaganda is this against my boys? Eh?
Me. So if you say me I dey lie. If you say I dey lie.
Hey, now. Look at these small children who are almost on the ground. How can they put their piece up to your face? Is it possible?
I said that for trip. I said I can just zoom who they for there. The next one I said I'm praying for my face. So make I leave them. You don't too much, oh. Bring them come outside, I beg.
Well, you know why I'm laughing, eh?
It's not funny now, Abi.
No, I'm imagining how their urine tested in your mouth.
So now what you want to talk, BDC? You never tell me sorry.
How can I tell you sorry? Am I the person that poured urine on your face?
Okay.
Eh?
No wahala. I go wait here till when they come back. You see me?
You're free to wait.
No wahala. I got time must come back. They're not gonna feel leave their house like that. You know the possible.
You're free to wait too.
They're not go there outside forever. Namian.
Try.
No wahala. I don't too much keep quiet.
Okay.
Can you please puff on my face? No one. My blood.
Hey, am I the boys I asked you to catch? Huh? Leave me alone, I beg.
Why you don't catch them? You were inside house.
Please leave me
Why
alone.
you don't catch them? After I go to say you be old soldier.
Tenteri, will you leave me alone? Leave me alone before.
We did fine. Fine. Thank you, Auntie Mary.
Why you dey thank you me?
Because of the guidance that you give us there.
Make I go say my.
Wait. Your grandma sweet today.
Why not? If not, my granite they always dey sweet. Una won't buy.
No, we could play game.
Back to sender.
Listen, back to sender. Who they breathe? Who they zoom? Go put that for your body water. You don't feel shady. Who they go away? From today, I say go to Fios.
Mazi.
Yes.
Let's take it talk.
Tenteri, I was just admiring you because you are beautiful.
You see?
Yes.
You see why they call me Hot Terry?
Yes.
Hot Terry.
Hot Terry.
And the blonde.
Hot Terry.
Yes. See, almost all the men they tell me say are too fine. You understand?
It is true.
Thank you.
You know they say beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, and this is why I can see that Hot Terry is very beautiful.
You see? Beauty for the eyes of the beholder.
Yes. Your backside is a tourist attraction.
Why are you shy shaming me now?
No, why are you shy now? In fact, you are an epitome of beauty.
Epitome?
Yes.
Epitome
of beauty.
You dey cost me?
Not at all. Yes.
You sure?
Oh, you are in fact, you are 2 B's.
Hey,
or
I be
even
spec.
3 B's.
I be spec.
You are big, bold, and beautiful. 3 B's.
My head don't scatter. My head don't scatter.
Eh?
Mazi, my head is hot now.
You mean it?
My head is hot.
Just give me a minute.
Oh, my head is hot.
Just give me a minute.
Hot cherry. Hey. Big, bold, beautiful. Jesus, it's a wine. Mazi don't kill. Hey. Ah. Why put water?
But you said your head was about to burst.
No, now.
So I brought this water just to cool it down. For you to cool off. Since we can't put your head in a freezer, this is an alternative.
Alternative do it.
Yes.
Not the way you sabi. You be in the old school. I said my head a boss. Say the
And we can't put it in a freezer.
Now the word way they talk,
what
they
else
sweet
do
me.
we do?
Now the word way they talk, then they sweet me. You said they big and they say you don't you don't spoil my swag.
It's
now.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Relax. Eh? It's okay. Don't worry. My action was not intentional. Okay?
Don't tell me this grammar. I beg.
Don't bother. I have a big towel.
I know your towel.
Let me go and bring it.
No give me.
Is that the way you get angry?
I beg. What will you do?
Look when the man.
Mary! You not see me? Wetin dey pursue you? Why you dey tear race like this? Wetin happen?
Mama, I see them again.
Who?
They say make we can't do again.
Who be those?
Na kaki na leather.
Yeah. Those thieving sons of Eleke. Eh?
Yes, na them. They see me as I carry my groundnut. They can't call me. Can't say, Mary, your groundnut sweet. Say make I come, make we do again. Na tears, na the rest I dey reach now.
Hi. Chai. Thank God say you remember everything what I tell you before you come out from house today. Eh? It be like say I go tell your papa. Make you go warn their papa. Make you warn them. Make them know they talk to you again. You hear?
10/10. Bam. Mama, as you be so. Make I still continue my market. Man, go sell am.
No wahala. See make you dey go. Eh? Make I go house go cook food before you return. You hear? Eh?
I go see you later after.
Dey go. Take am easy o.
Okay. Groundnut!
What be this? Look well o.
Hello. Kele well. Kake. Leather. Akponkri Brothers. What were you doing in the house before I called you?
You were housing.
What?
You were housing now.
Okay. Let's forget about that. What am I hearing?
Papa, sorry. We are not know to wear. We are not know to wear.
I hear that both of you now go about dancing like mad people on the road.
Hey!
What is hair?
Hair is hair. Papa, we not go dance for like madman.
Okay. Are you saying that I'm lying against you?
Papa, they lie. Yes. Papa, they lie for us.
Okay. Did both of you not dance at Kakaki's bar yesterday?
Okay, remember. Never forget something I thought said. You You, them, Papa, them. We not dance for like mad people. Now for kaki bar we dance. Don't show them small I just go like this. No, show them that thing. We not do like big. We not too big.
Is it a Jasco you want to be in life?
Yes, Pale. But I'm not talking now. Yes, now. Yes, if you know.
You boys are foolish. So you want to disgrace me so that when I go out on the streets, people will be calling me the father of Ajascos.
No, nothing they right. Yes, they're gonna dash you plenty money. Like the way they dash us. You don't know. Since now Ajasco we won't be. You gonna become Papa Ajasco. Yes, sir. Papa Ajasco. Sweet well, Papa Ajasco. Sweet well. Sugar and milk. Chocolate.
Before I count 3, you people have moved from my side. Come back here, Joya. Why are your pockets bulging like that?
Nothing happened at all. Nothing happened. Yes.
What do you have in your pockets?
Nothing. Pale, Nadi, tell smile like this. Yes, Kaki, you are right. Yes.
Okay. Bring out your pockets. Let me see how the tailor made them.
Papa, what do you talk? I'm not here. Talk again. You have to Pale talk. I know you're on a Pale, I never can talk. Okay, now.
Before I count 3, if you don't bring out your pockets, I will break your bones.
Okay, Pale, sir.
What is this?
Na Gary brother.
Gary brother.
Yes.
What is Gary brother?
Na sugar now, say sugar. Maybe take a soak. Yes.
So this is how both of you steal all the Gary and sugar I buy in this house.
Papa, let me so.
Go and get my bulala.
Okay, bulala.
Go and get my bulala.
Left, right.
Come back here. Let me have the exhibits first. Exhibit 1. Exhibit 2. Go and get my bulala.
Left, right.
Yeah.
Mary, my love.
I don't want you make you know they calling me that name.
Wetin happen now? I be no be my love again.
Yama. No let my mama hear that name. Oh. No let her hear say they call me that name.
Mary, why you dey talk like this now? You know say I like you well. Oya tell me now your mama go marry you, abi na your papa go marry you? You no allow your mama dey put sansan for your love, Gary now. Na me
They tell me to make another allow men call me that name. Is anybody will call me that name? They deceive me and they go chop my tanta, leave me.
Look me well. Look your love now. Look me. I be like person who go come leave you, come waka go. Me, I dey with you gidigba. The love what I get for you, if I open this heart like this, if you see the love, you go not say if it's scatter ground. I love you now.
See you. For look, you no resemble him. But for name, that your name, Alaska, now what your name?
How now? See, Alaska an American name.
You see him? You see him?
See waiting now.
American name go dey behave like them. America, come and see. America wonder, come and see. America wonder.
No, na see. As you dey see me so, the way one want take this serious with you. You know, say I be good man normally now, And see, I dey plan to go America.
You serious?
Now. If I no serious, why I can't dey talk am?
Hey, hey, talk am. See that name when you call me, you call am again. You see, in fact, I go give you my granite. You go chop and finish. In fact, I don't agree.
You don't gree for my propose?
I don't agree.
Hey, now you come now. So, like this now, as you don't gree, anytime when you come market, make you carry your groundnut come my house. Yeah?
Maka, why?
Wetin e get as I take the plan this our love for my head. Wetin I go do be say, anytime when you come, I go buy all your groundnut. You understand? So me and you go come get time to come do our love well for my house. Abi you no wan know where your future husband dey stay?
Na love, now you just talk. You no talk marriage.
Yes now, but every journey wey person dey go get destination. See, as you dey see me so, why dey see you? Now marriage I just dey look. As I dey see you, now marriage I dey see like this. Yes now.
You see that name when you call me now? Call me again.
Hey, Mary my love.
No photo start. Call me, sweet me. My mama go hear me sweet.
Hey. Michaka. See, not only your love they scatter my head. You see this my head. If you open and like this, everywhere where you look, you go just see Mary. Now what in they can get headache every time with that?
Ngwano, make I go sell my granite. I go see you after later.
If you go sell finish now, you go come my house. I get one surprise. One I want show you.
You get surprise?
Yes, so.
Which is surprise?
If you come, you go see. You know, say seeing is believing. Once you just put body now, you go see the surprise.
Nga call me that name again.
Very my love. I can help you. Hey.
Ngwano, make I dey go. I go see you after later.
I dey wait for you.
Ngwano, take.
Oh, Michaka. Very my love. Achalugo. Elelebe jolo. Michaka. Hey.
What is holding these criminals? I know their plans. They want to delay their action so that I can change my plans of servicing their buttocks with that bulala. They lie. Kaki! Leather! If I meet them inside that house, okay. We shall see. That is the inside the house.
Papa, we go see you after later. Bye.
Chineke mere mercy. What kind of thing is this? No man born of woman can live with these devils. I think I better start thinking of getting another woman whom I can plan life with. But as for these urchins, it's all right. Agracha must come back. Agracha also. I calculate that kilometer. We shall see. When you're bank at Chiaba, have to start doing something. Okay. Hey.
Oh. My love. No be so now. Eh? Just like that, you want to go. You don't even say make you give me a good Dubai something.
Live with me, bye-bye.
Come now. You need to show yourself. Come put all this thing for my make I dey happy.
For this Republic of Igwemado.
You don't mean anything. I love you. Come give me buy something.
This is my American bobo. You be bad boy, you. Ngano, close your eyes. Meshanya. Close it.
Mary the bushy girl, my love. Ngwano now. Mwadi uto. Sugar. Hi. Otale mo.
Agatha.
My husband.
Is the food ready?
Yes, the food done ready.
That's good.
But you go wait to make you cool down small.
Okay. You can take a seat.
Okay.
Come here. What is that?
Now wait. Anything spoil?
Where are you taking the seat to?
Have you tell me now, say make I take a seat? Have you done the suffering from talk and forget?
Hey, Agatha, my wife.
Aloy, my husband. This one where you call me with the tuning romancing too. Eh? What do you want to talk?
Does my voice sound romantic to you? Is something wrong with your timpani?
Yay! Singing a
I mean, is something wrong with your eardrum?
Yeah. Oh, nothing, no. But when you call me with that romancing voice, I suspect say you want to ask me something. So now waiting was.
Exactly. I want to ask you something serious, like you said. Now, carry that seat, put it back exactly where it was, and sit down on it. Because I want to talk to you about something very, very important.
You sabi talk parable. Small seat where you go say make I keep sit down. Now you come to blow all this big oyibo grammar join.
Get used to it. That's your husband. That's by the way. Age, I don't like the way you talk to Mary, our daughter, concerning marriage and the men. You may inadvertently force her to do something wrong.
Oh, I beg you, make I ask. Wetin I do? Mary never reach adult age. See, make I tell you. Na so my mama dey remind me sotey I come marry. Abi you wan marry your daughter? Eh?
Will you shut up? Huh? Have you gone bananas? How can you even think about something like that? Huh? Does a man marry his daughter? Or do you want me to commit incest?
Oh, I don't know wetin I do you. Make you leave me alone.
Talk of the devil, he appears.
Mama! Mama, praise the Lord!
Hallelujah!
Mama, I don't see.
Agatha.
Mama, I don't see.
Agatha. What is wrong with your daughter?
Yeah.
And you are joining her to dance or to a music. I don't know whether it's spirit that is beating for you.
Wetin you want make I do? Don't be me and you dey here. I better make you ask her wetin dey make her happy now.
Mary,
Papi,
what is wrong with you?
try.
Why are you happy like this? What have you seen?
Papi, that's the way my mama dey always say tell me. Papi, I don't see her. Papi. Jesus, I thank you. Really. I thank you. I thank you, really. Jesus, I thank you, really. I thank you, really. I thank you, really. I thank you, really. Hey, I thank you, really. Hey, really. Very. Really. Hey, I thank you, really. Hey, I thank you, really.
You guys are too much.
Thank you.
You guys are too much. Come.
Thank you. Wow.
Thank you, my dear. I must say, you guys are too much.
Yes, thank you.
And this is why I want to. Yeah, and this is why I want to encourage you to succeed in your career.
Thank you, sir.
And that is not enough. And this is why I went to the market and bought this MP3.
Okay, you mean
Yes, I mean it. Yes.
You mean
Yeah, of course it's yours.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And there's already music in it. Once you just on it, you start playing.
Open up. We go open and see.
Yeah.
Thank God. We go do am. What see. This is my now you want to see the paper? See the checking points.
You're very happy about
Yes.
that. Very much happy about that. Wow.
After we tell you we come back to your shop, you know, agree. See
Mock your head.
nothing can be there.
They come. They are not very sweet. But now where they come?
Now, what in they hold these girls this morning now? Abi, na her papa and her mama no gree her come out. If it be you, hi. See am. Now she dey come.
Sweet.
Now you dey come since morning while I stand here they waiting for you.
Waiting be since morning. Maka why?
Gini wo maka why? You know sabi say I dey miss my sunshine. Me wey be say I no fit sleep for night. I just dey thinking of you till this morning.
So now the love wey you get for me big rich.
The love wey I get it for you, e plenty o. The way I take like you, I fit to go hug transformer. Eh? The transformer go dey shock me. They go dey throw me, they go left. They throw me, they go right. I go still hold am because of the love I get it for you. Now.
See me now, I don't come. What you want to me?
Wetin I want to take you do plenty but first you give me groundnut. Make I dey chop, dey use the calming myself down. You know dey easy to stand for here since the morning because of love. Now since I stand here.
Cannot. No, Wala, you go just about plenty, yeah? You know, so I don't tell my mama about you.
No, now.
Waiting be joy. Waiting be no now.
It never reach for you to the broadcast waiting will never conclude. They give you your people for house.
Yeah. Kocha. No make me believe that you want chop run like other people, they chop run like mosquito.
Mary, you know say I like you well. Now for where you dey, now all my life today. The love I get for you plenty, plenty well. But now waiting your papa and your mama talk when you broadcast the news you give them.
My mama is sweet, but my papa not sure.
Now man be that. See, now small, our love go dey grow. It go dey grow. It get to where it go grow reach. I go constant gidigba. Come carry my 2 legs. Come waka, come in your house. Come see your papa and your mama. Yes, now.
My abele kaka.
But you never give me the groundnut. Abi, you want to do me longer throat.
My body boy. Abele come on. Groundnut, you go chop am plenty. What the? Ngano. Chitaku. Chita.
Don't do.
You know what?
Hey. This girl not sweet though. Now who cook am?
Na Mary the cooker. Mary is the cooker.
This girl not is sweet like you. Hey.
You like him? Is it?
I like him. Everything about you is sweet to me, die. If I come for here, it is sweet. I come for here, it is sweet. If I carry myself, I carry it here. Now there, die you.
Chop and enjoy and make I go sell my granota. I go come meet you later after.
What you go happen? You say make you go sell. Later, make you come for house. Come on.
I hear.
Now so you want to go like that? I beg you, come stay with me some more before you go. Come now. You know, say anytime I see you, I need to like it to leave you because your body they do me like a magnet. See, our body go just dey jam like this. They can't jam your body. Mary, my love. See, for where you dey, now there I die put. Now there I die put. Nothing fit separate us.
Nothing.
Well, you know, the sinner runs when nobody is chasing after him. Today, I'm not going to fight anybody, not even you, because I am happy. I'm happy because I'm going to bring the woman I want to marry.
What are you talking now? You just me now. What are you talking?
Yes. I'm going to bring the woman I want to marry. You, Mama, to both of you.
Papa, we too love you, Papa. Papa, we too love you, Papa. Papa, God your blessing, Papa. Not this suffer, where is suffer, man could they jump. Not better, we go there too for Papa. Papa, that's not. Papa, I too love you, Papa.
It's okay, boys. It's okay, boys. Let me go and bring the woman.
That's Papa.
Yes. Take care of the house and ensure that nothing goes wrong, okay?
Yes, Papa.
Yes.
Everything will do okay. Papa will toss you now. Papa will toss you. Papa, save Johnny. Your face shine. Your shoe shine. Save Johnny. Nobody falls. Papa, you don't win. Papa, you win. Papa, you win.
It's okay. You know what? The woman I'm going to bring now is very close to my heart. And I wouldn't want you to treat her like the other ones I had brought in the past. Is that okay?
Papa, we're not going to put time yourself. At all. See, look at you. We're going to better. Papa, your face shine. Papa, your shoe shine. Papa, save Johnny. Papa, save Johnny. Papa, your face shine. Papa, your shoe shine. Papa, you don't win. Papa, don't win. Papa. Mama, I want to make a baby close.
You dey enjoy it?
Well, but
Wetin bottle?
this your groundnut we don't reduce from my chopping, so you sure say your mama no go holler you when you reach house?
As long as say na you chop am, nothing make am. Na my goat chop on my grass. I go tell them say you go pay later after.
Mary, make I tell you the truth, eh? This your love, eh? It dey sweet me pass Romeo and Juliana.
You dey deceive me. They chop my groundnut. They carry and go see other women's okwaya.
Eh? Now who talk that thing? Me? Who tell you say they talk to other girls?
Now you talk am now. No even fear me. Now you can't call their names. Okwe name na so.
Which name I call?
No be you call Romeo and Julius.
Hi. I don't understand you at all. Eh? See, make I tell you. Romeo and Juliana, they're not from Nigeria. Nah, two people will love themselves well for the love story where them tell us that time who will go for those small school. Them talk say, two of them, say they love themselves, say they die together for each other. And you sabi say I love you. And I know say you love me too. I know say me and you, we dey ready to die for each other like Romeo and Juliana.
Sorry for suspect, my Romeos.
No be Romeo also. Romeo.
Sorry, my Romeo.
My Juliana.
Ngwano, when they come see my mama papa.
Ha!
Answer them, waiting be here.
as soon as
That one sweet me. It sweet me. It sweet me. Ngwano, we'll go your house again today.
I think today sweet you.
I like them.
Ready? I am gonna make you go sell your groundnut. After you don't go sell this one finish, you go just follow that on Koro. Enter come my house.
Later after, yeah. Ngwano, make I take.
Mary.
Ngwano, give me.
Okay, wait, make I sit down.
Kaki, wait. My heart dey beat fast. What you make? Because I do when Palon go by. You know the buy wife? No, they go pay bright price until you don't marry the man. But by the time you want pay bright price, he never will see the person who want marry himself. But they find the person. I put him make him bring better wife and go see the two us like our mama. I'm your. Couldn't go dance today, I dey wait for the wife when one carry. Papa not tell you say one carry wife come this house. Papa say you go look for the woman when you go marry. Papa, but any book still wait and see. Bring the wife come this house. Abi Bola, I beg get away. Finish it.
Mary,
Mommy,
where the money for the groundnuts now?
na him you hold for hand.
Okay. Where the remaining groundnut?
Mommy, to God, I finish am.
Wetin be you finish am? Mary, you carry 4,000 naira groundnut comot for this house. You come dey give me 3,000 naira. Come tell me say you finish am. How?
Mommy, shebi I tell you say I dey see one lover boy.
So wetin the lover boy get to do with my groundnut?
Give am chop.
Hey! Mary, you carry groundnut wey I give you make you go sell. Carry am go give one man like that. Carry 3,000 naira come this house. Hey! Papa Mary, allow my husband. Hey! Papa Mary! Come. Yeah.
Agatha, what is all this brouhaha and hula baloo all about? Why were you shouting all my patrilineal nomenclature like that?
Yeah. Now wetin be all these swans where you dey call their names now?
And you, where are you carrying that thing on your head like that? There's no sun, you are covering your head.
It's a hectic wake of your dingbam grammatical.
My God. You see, both of you and your mother. I mean, you are all pathological cases. I was merely trying to find out why Agatha Christie, my wife, was bellowing my name like locomotive engine from Ozuakoli to Umuahia.
Hey! Here!
Agatha, why were you shouting my name like that? I asked for the umpteenth time.
My husband, I beg, make you ask Mary. We carry 4,000 naira groundnut come off for this house. Come back, come they give me ordinary 3,000. Where the remaining groundnut? Where my remaining money now?
What did she do with your money?
No be carry my groundnut, go do saraka for one man like that.
Mary, what happened?
Papi, I tell mommy say I carry the groundnut give Alaska.
For what?
I use money buy minerals for him to take him down. As they go, I can't give him money to pay transport.
What for?
My tomorrow husband them.
Right. This girl, you are so stupid that I even feel ashamed being identified with you as a father. Who is this unknown man that you have even started spending on his head? Look, if you know what is good for you, just go back to this man, wherever he is, and bring back that money to this place.
Papi, money no day.
If you don't bring it, this very house cannot contain us this night. Who did you resemble such stupidity? Today is Alaska. Maybe tomorrow it will be Tokyo.
No.
Another day it will be Washington.
No.
You sure that this thing will work? You see, I don't feel for your children wahala. I no get strength for their wahala. I beg.
Look. I thought we are done with this thing. Besides, are you coming to marry me or my children?
I know what they talk. I know what they talk. By the way, Mazi, you really agree to make your children become Ajasco dancers?
Lie. Over my dead boys, none of my children can become Ajasco. But don't bother yourself about my children, except you don't want to marry me.
I know now. Even therefore, no people hand self.
Oh.
Even if in a CEO of Fire, you know people hand.
Oh, that means
I don't agree to marry me. Say I don't agree.
Okay, that means you have made up your mind to marry me.
I don't tell you for inside house. I don't tell you for outside. I say they tell you now under this place. I say I love you and I won't marry you. Now just your children be my problem. And you say you go get small faith.
Oh, which means you have made up your mind to marry me, isn't it? I thought you were joking and trying to pull my legs.
With which rope? I don't even pull your legs.
Okay.
I don't choose to marry you and no going back.
Oh, good. So then tell him, I love you.
Hey,
So,
stop now.
No. Listen to me. I'm here to propose to you that I want to marry you. That's why I brought you here.
They made me the shame.
Then tell him, will you marry me?
I go marry you.
You give it to me.
Enter my house. Hey, it's love sweet.
I'll draw your head. Yes. That's not yet, eh? I better be me with that, I beg. Let me with that. Now you, let be me. Wait, I want to tell you something. Papa never agreed say we're gonna do this dance professional. True, Papa never agreed say we're gonna do this dance professional. This one a wahala, I'm gonna be small. No wahala. That wife I want marry, we go achieve am. Yes, not true. That is it. We go achieve am. But say, we go wash our brain. Pela coffee, green. I think you know that. This one can come in. Mumu go outside. Let's go package ourselves. Go find some Mumu who will dig enjoy. Now, Toto, you know, I see. You go and go Kakiba. Kaki, you are right. You are right. But me, I imagine the person won't be our mama. See you. Me, if I have to do that, I can't see him. No go fall. No, mama won't get now. No go try him. You won't fall for grand or happy one wunda. Just honor. Imagine for you. He started a shot for me. No imagine that can imagine. No try him. No imagine him. Take it easy now. Imagine. Never cut out. Take it easy. No imagine him. Mama could go now. So I thought of we not like you, man. Kaki, you are right. I don't get one thing like that. See, Don't worry, yeah. Go portray and come for the house. And I'm making a go kaki bag. Just go find some more things there. Go eat this something. You could go in.
My husband.
Agatha, again. Can't you see that I'm trying to catch up with the news of the day? This is something you don't care about. You're only concerned with what happens in the kitchen and the other room.
Ha! Oh, not be from newspaper. Why I read the thing? Why I want ask you now?
Who read the newspaper and interpreted to you?
Yeah. Meaning one.
Meaning you don't have the ability and capability to read newspaper and analyze anything from the tabloid.
Yeah. Oh, not be from the newspaper where they're on top of the table. Why I read the thing? Why I want ask you?
Hi. This is the consummation of illiteracy. Anyway, answer your question. I mean, ask that your question.
You sure say Mary go carry this man come today? Eh?
How do you expect me to answer that question?
Answer him the same way. Why ask him now?
Agatha, I am worried. Sometimes I begin to think whether you are suffering from encephaly. That's a situation from birth whereby part of the brain and then the skull is absent.
Mama, Papa, I salute you.
Mary, where the man now?
Which man?
Mary, what kind of interrogation is that? Were you not the one who opened this your buccal cavity to tell us that you are going to bring the man who you have seen to come and see us? Where is the man? Is the question.
Papa, sorry, they talk and if you talk and make a no sense wait till you talk. Gwano, see I'm here.
Where? Eh?
See I'm here.
Is it this picture that you told us that will come and see us?
Bam.
Jesus Christ.
Mary. So, now this boy, where they chop all my groundnuts and they make me they lose money 30. Eh?
Mary, so this is the man you said will marry you. This picture. Mary, I think it is the high time that you came back from Cloud Cuckoo land. You are not going to marry this picture.
Oh, see.
Nah lie. I no agree. Mary, you go marry this boy so that I go recover all my money where this boy don't they chop from my groundnut. See so?
Mommy, thank you.
Birds of the same feather.
Don't mention it here.
Little wonder they say birds of identical plumage congregate in a firmamental propinquity. You are not serious. I'm finished with you.
Mary, you like this bubble?
Well, mommy.
See, make you go tell him, say, make you come see your papa quick. You hear me? One time. Hey.
Now what? Wait, talk. I dey busy. I don't get time now.
Why you customer never think of container?
Time still there. They come. I dey prepare.
But everywhere they empty.
Shut up. I say they come. You really hear? They are coming. I dey get things ready.
Uncle, Aki, want to say something? We get one game like that when they keep me in business. Serious business, you know they carry that business they play. Now I like that. Now I like that man.
Ay, Kakaki Hushelaya.
Which game una dey? Which game? Which business una dey talk?
Na me I no man small game like that na magic stick be out. And people dey find us to play the game. Yes na.
Now who dey perform the magic?
Na us.
Oh yeah, let me see it. I want to see it.
See, there's nothing funny. No laugh for me.
Okay, now money they take play the business.
Yes.
Now money?
Yes. You know that say if you play that game, you don't start doing that one.
So I know the fear on papa. So if I come play game with una now win, who go pay?
Now us, we get money now again. If we win, now us buy this thing to pay you. And if you fail, you go give us some peso.
We go do am.
Oh yeah.
But wait, I go slap una. If you no work well, I go slap una. Dirty slap.
Okay now.
You remember my name, Kakaki?
Kakaki.
Good.
See where the name is at? Kakaka.
Okay. I'm happy you know it.
Put your money.
Are we?
So
Wait, make we talk. This 100 naira go give me 200 naira.
Yes, now. Now, if you want 200 play, you get 1 million. Now, if you carry down 100 naira play, when you come put on like that, when you win us, you get 200.
This is the 100 naira.
Yes.
Let my own day here.
We bring the magic belt and the magic stick. Today go hear am. Let's say one get new stuff.
Wait, no, I do a make and see.
Yeah, now look at them. This game, hey, then they kind of play. People look for us very well. They look for us. Yeah. No. This game, if you shoot them inside, your store don't big. Shoot them inside, you don't win. You don't win well. Don't blow it out.
See my 100 naira there.
See my 100 naira.
These are not 200.
I think I shook up for you. I shook up.
Oh yeah, now.
No. That's for you.
Oh yeah, now. You don't know me before. You don't know me. This is how they lose. Oh, can't give my 200 naira before I slap on her. I won't do again. Leave this 100 naira on. I won't do 5,000 naira one time. Do am.
You get money yourself. Pay what this one first. Yes,
keep this one. Okay. I won't play 5,000 naira game now.
Bless I get money this month. Bless I get money. Hey.
This one, if I win again, I will go inside, bring more money.
Okay. You get money, that's just one.
Shut up. In my hammer most that I had it take. Come on here.
You go drag it.
Oh yeah. I hold it for my own day. Let me.
I think we don't test me. So let me go drag this one. Oh yeah, shook up.
Where?
Any old. Yeah. Anyway. I feel open them.
Oh yeah, now.
You don't fail. Oh yeah, put your money. Where could they go?
I won't play again.
Bye.
Come. I won't play.
We don't finish now. We don't play again.
No, not be like that. I won't play the game again.
Okay, we'll play again.
I won't put, if I give 5,000, I will win now. Another money.
See, just leave me. I go carry my 2 legs, the waka they follow you. Make we go see your mama and your papa.
I no feel leave you. I no feel leave you the rest. You go run.
Mary, my love. I no go run. Make you trust me. Even if na mustard seed trust.
I no agree. Men's nowadays, una too dey too tricking.
No. But you sabi say me I dey different now. Just let me, I go follow you.
What is going on here?
Oh.
What is the meaning of this public nuisance? Mary, why are you holding and arresting him like a common criminal?
Oh, Opaka, thank you for observation. Na small promise why I take in my mouth to promise. Now they carry me, they go where I no know so.
Mary, leave his trust. Leave him at once. What is the meaning of this nonsense? Now tell me, what has he done to deserve this public disgrace?
Oh, You don't hear am from Opaka. Person wey you claim say you love, you dey disgrace am for public. You dey disgrace me like this.
Mary, tell me, what is going on? What is happening? Tell me.
Na Mario.
I don't understand. How do you mean by na Mario?
He promised me marry now. He dodging to go see my mama, papa.
Is marriage by force?
Oh!
No, let me ask you. Is marriage by force?
Ask am o.
Hi. This is arrant nonsense.